Hey guys, it's JD from Eastwood, and in this video we're going to be taking a closer look at 3 drilling tools that are a must-have for any toolbox. Alright, so the first tool I recommend anybody have in their box when it comes to drilling, or really any metal shaping in general, is a set of drill bits, of course. This is the Eastwood 29-piece high-speed steel set. It has standard sizes ranging from 1/16 to ½ an inch in size, with every size in between at 1/64 of an inch increments. The bits themselves have a nice black and bronze oxide finish, which helps add some real durability to these. They have a 3/8 inch ground flat shank to prevent slipping in the drill chuck, and they come with their own metal storage case with all the sizes neatly labeled for ease of use. These are perfect for drilling in steel, alloys, cast iron, aluminum, copper, plastics, and of course, wood as well. Now the next tool we're going to look at is going to be great to carry in the tool bag if you're mobile or if you don't know exactly what size you need to drill. The Eastwood Cobalt step bits. These little guys are super handy. They're made from M42 grade cobalt with a titanium nitride coating. The small one will go from 1/8 of an inch to ½ an inch, medium will go from 3/16 to ½ an inch, and the large will do anywhere from 3/16 of an inch to 7/8 of an inch. And all the sizes are printed on the side so you know exactly what step you're at when you're drilling. The double flute design gives you a ton of cutting area, and these chew through whatever material you're working with. Now, one nice thing in general about step bits is they deburr as you go, so no work is needed after you're done drilling. Now, with that said, I still recommend having a set of carbide burrs in the toolbox. Eastwood offers 2 sets of them. There's the 8-piece set and the 5-piece set. The 5-piece set is going to include all the common carbide burr shapes, all of which come on the long 4-inch shaft, making it easy to reach into those tighter spots. And the 8-piece set is going to include all those common shapes as well: cylindrical, radius end cylindrical, tree, ball, all of which are going to come in both a larger and a smaller size. They're great for shaping, grinding, deburring, or chamfering an edge. They'll work on pretty much anything as well. Steel, cast iron, stainless, you name it. These will fit into any 1/4 inch arbor die grinder, and you can see that these are nice and true, nice and straight, no wobble or side-to-side wiggle on these carbide burrs whatsoever. The heads on these are also double cut, so you got a little bit more cutting edge than some of the other carbide burrs out there, meaning that these will chew through any material you're working with. And the longer carbide burrs are rated for 20K RPM. The shorter set can spin up to 30,000 RPM, and Eastwood backs both of these with a 1-year warranty. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, check out our content as well. We post tons of great how-to stuff you're definitely going to want to see. We'll have all these tools linked below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm Joe. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.